Hey guys, thanks for checking out another video. I talk a lot about how to make better videos on this channel, but recently I haven't actually been showing you a lot of the work that I do. I do actually do video production full-time, so if you want to learn and follow my journey, then subscribe to the channel. No pressure, and that's not what this is about. In today's video, I wanted to actually show you a video that I created for an event. I actually talked about it in this video up here. You can watch that on some tips on how to go about filming an event of this scale, even smaller events. I do the same process for every size event, but especially when they're larger events, you got to have some steps in place or else it can be pretty overwhelming. But with no further ado, let's watch the Sea of Stars recap video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. This was a massive effort to put on the event. It was sponsored by Hancock Whitney Bank to benefit the Mississippi Aquarium, and it was put on in part by the Gulfport Chamber of Commerce. There's a lot more people to thank. I've got a whole list of them right here, but I don't think I'm gonna go through it because I'll probably miss some and that won't be good. But thanks to everybody who put that event on. If you liked the video, give it a like, and it really helps to push this video into the algorithm and get some eyes on it. But if you really want to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description to do that. It's not like something that you have to give to monthly or anything. You can literally give $5, $1, or whatever, and it will help support this channel massively. Also on Buy Me a Coffee, I do some behind the scenes stuff. I release some pictures. I post a lot over there. So if you want to be a part of the community, check out Buy Me a Coffee, and hey, I appreciate it. See you guys in the next video.